and on the boards of the National Stock Exchange, the National Council for Applied Economic Research, and as a member of CSIR. He has received numerous awards and recognitions, including the Knight of the Order of Merit by the President of the French Republic and the Rajiv Gandhi Award for Outstanding Contribution in the field of business. In addition, almost every major television channel has recognized and conferred on him awards for outstanding achievement in the field of business leadership and industry. He frequently writes for some of India's leading business magazines, and on Twitter, he has over 750,000 followers. He was the World Economic Forum's co-chair in 2009 and represents Indian industry at several global fora, including the APEC CEO Summit in 2009. He initiated the Nandi Dalit program that provides free education to over 70 and keep calm. She shot to fame when she won the Miss World title in 1994. She made an acting debut with Iruvadan Tamil, directed by Mani Ratnam in 1997, and the same year her Bollywood debut with Aur Pyar Ho Gaya. Her stepping stones to the pinnacle of stardom was one blockbuster after another, winning every possible award several times over along the way. She became known as the face of Indian cinema across the globe. The first Indian actor to star in a mainstream Hollywood film. The first Indian actor to be a member of the jury at the Cannes Film Festival in 2003 for Pacham.
Respected Nadaji and Muniraji, dear Shaina, all the dignitaries and distinguished awarded members this evening on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, thank you so much. I truly am speechless. Nothing planned to say, but except, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart for this very, very humbling honor. All that was just announced for me, introducing me, graduate whom I've said, for a true drop in the ocean of incredible contributors to our society. Everybody here on the dais and every one of you giants out there who work tirelessly through the years, endlessly contributing to actually make definitive change and aid society. So truly, my contribution in the world of entertainment is truly that of a picnic in comparison to Mr. Maheshwar. That's all as I can get here. And Dr. what I think what we have in common from Mangoes, we start on one journey and then we go on to another. Because I too was an aspiring student of medicine, went on to architecture, went on to a pageant, and went on to doing movies. But I think what's great is somewhere we find our calling, and I think what we do have in common here is I think we just try to give our best to whatever That's something that we have learned from our elders that is so essentially Indian, something we're just so proud of, our values, our culture, our tradition is so proud. So we pride ourselves in being Indian and we pride ourselves in being true to who we are and to go out there and put our best forward in whatever we commit to. We recognize the meaning of commitment and that's something that we hold truly precious to us. I'd like to thank the Giants for having honored members of the family I got married into. I think everybody from my in-laws to my husband received this honor prior to me. And if I can receive it here in front of you today, it is truly because of the endless perseverance of dear Shaina. I can't thank you enough for enriching my life with this wonderful felicitation today. Because, 2 years ago was when she first asked me. And as conscientious as she is and well planned, I must share with you, she does ask way in advance, very, very respectful of people's schedules and time, but I was pregnant. So I didn't know what would September look like. So at that point in time, I was like, I'm not sure I can commit now. And then last year, I was immensely busy. Not that changes. Motherhood is a commitment for life. But it was easier this year for me to be able to come forth and with absolute humility and gratitude accept this felicitation. Thank you so much. And while I did say that I take pride, I stand here that every member of my in-laws, my husband has been felicitated here before. I stand here before you as the seed of my parents. It's because of my parents that I am who I am. It's because of my parents I continue to be who I am. And if I've achieved anything in life, it's thanks to them inculcating in me whatever they have. That means you all see some good in me to honor me with these felicitations. But I thank them for their blessings, their unconditional love, and every one of you for your support throughout my career. Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for the light of the evening.
स्टील वाला देखा और ऊपर चढ़ जाओ ये सिल इधर खोज रहा है
the Giants International Award in the same category twice.
ऊपर जाओ ऊपर नीचे नहीं मिलते छा जाएगा न्यूज़पेपर
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.